Hi everyone, in this video we're going to talk about negative keywords for Google Ads campaigns. If you're running Google Ads campaigns, you know how important it is to get relevant traffic to the website and to avoid unnecessary clicks. For this purpose, you need to have a very robust negative keyword list, and we're going to talk about how do you generate this list and how do you update this list. Before moving forward, let me explain to you what negative keywords are. Negative keywords are words or phrases that you don't want your ad to show up for. For example, if you're selling shoes online, you might want to exclude searches related to free shoes or shoe repairs that don't align with your business goals. Now the important point is, why do you use negative keywords? Using negative keywords in your campaigns has many benefits, such as improve relevance, save money, and even increase your CTR. Now a step forward. How many types of negative keywords are there? So these three types of negative key phrases are broad match negative key phrases, phrase match negative key phrases, and exact match negative key phrases. Now we're going to talk about how do you actually find these negative key phrases. You can always start by brainstorming a list of keywords that are irrelevant to your business or product. For example, if you're selling shoes, you might want to exclude searches related to socks, shoe repairs, or footwear accessories. Another way to find negative keywords is to analyze your search term report. This report shows you the actual search terms that triggered your ads, and you can identify the irrelevant ones that you want to exclude from your campaigns. You can also use keyword research tools like Google Keyword Planner, SEMrush, Ahrefs to find negative keywords. These tools show you related keywords that are not relevant to your business, and you can add them to your negative keyword list. Now we're going to talk about how do you build a negative keyword list in your Google AdWords campaign. Step 1 is to create a new negative keyword list. Then go to your Google Ads account, click on the Tools and Settings tab, and then select the negative keyword list. Click on the blue plus button to create a new list. Enter your list name and negative keywords you want to exclude. You can add keywords manually or import them from a CSV file. And lastly, you need to apply the list to your campaigns. Once you've created your negative keyword list, you can apply it to your campaigns. For this, select the campaign you want to apply the list to, click on keywords and select negative keywords. Implementing negative keywords in your ads campaign can save you a lot of money and hassles. Hope the information shared in this video was of use. In case of any further help, you can always reach out to us through our website. Would appreciate if you can like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you once again.